Yeah. So how Colab makes your development easier is I just add few lines more. It helps you in editing your uh, code. For example, majorly when I see my developers working on any kind of code, they rely heavily on context sensitive help to the language and the library syntaxes. That is why IDEs like Jupyter or something like that. IDE means uh, any external interface that could be used to code a particular program. Yeah. So the Colab notebook editors, it is an editor provides this particular editor provides you the facility. Now let's see how to ask for context sensitive help while writing Python code in Colab. Yeah. Let's follow some steps. Okay. Uh, I have this slide code, this particular notebook already open. What we'll do is I'll try to import pandas, which is and give it a name as PD. Okay. So I can import a pandas library and I can store it in PD. I can reference it by the name of PD. I'll run it. So the pandas library has got loaded. Yes. Now at this point, suppose you have forgotten what are the various functions available in pandas. You can ask the context sensitive help on function names by hitting by just putting the uh, dot or the syntax properly, which will help you to help the Colab to show you the context sensitive information. Now, how it is done? So suppose I have this pandas referring as PD. Now what I can do is I can say PD is equal to or PD dot. Now as I just put in dot, it will come out with a lot of information. You see this? I have to just wait for a couple of seconds so that it can provide me all these drop downs. So I do not have to do anything. I have to just type dot and just wait for 2-3 seconds so that it automatically shows you the drop downs. Now, without this dot, you won't be able to see any context help. Yeah, you can see it on the screen. Now, suppose after this dot, I have some functions that I have to use. So let me put the dot again. Wait for 2 seconds. It will show me the various functions available. I select one of the functions like concat. Yeah. Now, as soon as I type in concat and put the brackets, it will show me the documentation. So every function, like concat is a function. So Colab gives you the documentation of any functions or class as a context sensitive help. Yeah. So what I'll do is I have selected concat as a function. I'll open the brackets. Now, as soon as I open the bracket and wait for 2 seconds, you can see it is providing me the entire documentation regarding this particular function. Yeah. Which I can use to find out what I need to do with this particular information. So this is very important that to know that the Colab helps you in editing your codes or it helps you in making your job a bit easier by just not remembering or try to uh, just mug up or try to revise those formula or keep it in your memory wherein have to use it or you may lose it. Yeah. So it helps you in making your code easier, making your coding easier by providing a context sensitive help. So let's move on to the Next important thing, that is magics.